Hey everybody, it's Craig. One last video here on the trailer. As you can see, the deck shows just a little bit of weathering, but there's no soft spots in the deck on this trailer that I noticed. Keep in mind too, sorry I had my camera zoomed in again, everything is on 16-inch centers. You can just see right there, you got another crossbar going here. So they didn't bolt it on every crossbar, but there is a channel iron support going the width of the trailer every 16 inches. So even if the deck gets a little age on it, starts to weaken, you don't have to worry about a piece of equipment going through it. All around, guys, this is a really well kept trailer. I personally know the gentleman that owns it. He's a personal friend of mine. Takes care of their stuff. All the electrical, if something didn't work, they got it working right away. So the brakes work, lights work, you got the flip down ramps. This would be a great trailer to own, guys.